I want to do arena.
I'm not gonna do
we
arena.
can't do
Arenas.
Arena.
Yeah, we can do arena. Just
Oh,
not
if I
with
turn off the mob. Oh my god.
Save me, scavenger!
Oh my god.
Wait, not like that!
Oh no no no! Help! Help!
I think
Okay.
calm down.
Teddy, you good?
It might be
Hey, I'm
Stuff
literally
it.
a pup. I wait.
Help
nothing.
me!
Even if you grab. Oh. No.
Help! Jordan, help!
Help.
No!
Actually,
What
next
snipe
next
Stephanie?
run we do, can I just play as a child?
Help! Help!
Who was it first?
Why you snipe Stephanie?
Help!
Ugh.
Don't stab me!
Oh my
No.
god!
I got him.
Stop!
The enemies are dead!
Stop abusing the child. Oh,
Oh!
oh you pinned him.
Bro, pin me to the wall.
Double kill. Triple
God.
kill!
Oh my god.
No, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
Guys, guys.
Teddy, I didn't mean
Guys.
to.
Scared.
Teddy, I didn't mean
I'm
to.
scared.
Guys,
Guys,
Oh, wait,
Guys.
James.
Wait.
Oh yeah, just for that. Oh, I was gonna. Oh, what? What? Okay. No, don't regenerate. Okay, wait.
Here, wait, let me.
Guys, I got this. Oh.
Guys, he's coming upwards! Onward and upward!
Oh no!
Ugh.
Oh
shit.
Oh,
Sorry!
oh. I think I stabbed.
I think you might have
Maybe
hit
I'll
me.
just go this way.
You might have hit me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're still alive.
Wait, I'm alive?
Yeah.
Don't hit me.
Oh, now I hit you. Yeah.
A spider.
Guys, look, I'm scary.
I mean... I save you!
I'm stuck in the body. Beyonce.
Oh, James.
Help!
Am I?
James, I don't want to be I don't want to repeat Artificer Laura.
Guys, oh, got him.
Repeat Artificial Lore.
What happened?
Yeah, I feel like we should crank up the fauna.
Yeah.
It's like.
Oh my
There's a
goodness.
vulture.
Are
There's
you sure?
multiple.
Are you sure?
I mean, you can still use some.
Oh, and I'm
yes.
dead. Okay, I got killed on my way down by.
How he dodged? How he dodged again?
Teddy, this guy, the Avengers.
Do you think I don't see them?
Hey.
I'm not sure. I don't think there's enough enemies.
Yeah, like on some stages.
Yay! No, I'm alive.
No, like I meant the one who just I
I
was
touched.
Are you
I
okay?
touched the water.
I'm
I
gonna
touched
touch
the
you.
water.
want
I mean,
to
what?
see
No,
you.
that's not what I meant.
Stay in that hole.
I'm like.
No!
He's taking me! I'm stopping him from moving. I'm stopping him from moving.
Why can't I pick you up?
He's rerouting. He's rerouting. I'll save you.
Wait, we should all be slug pups actually.
Oh my god, you're
Hard mode.
annoying. That would
Oh,
be
Yeah, all have
I
to work
can't.
together.
I can't even play it normally. I've died instantly like
Yay,
all
I
5
killed
times.
Oh,
someone.
what'd you do to Teddy? Why is he hanging?
Oh my god, you hung him.
He ate it.
Yeah. Without you there.
I genuinely believe that you didn't have it on you.
Huh?
I was hiding. You know how like kids instantly put their hands behind their back when they're
That's what you did. Come closer, Jordan. I don't have a live explosive. Guys, the water a bit spicy today. Help me! Baka! James, help me! Okay.
I got him.
There's even more. Oh.
Teddy. Get him, Stephanie.
Fight him. Stephanie, no! God. No!
I think that's all of them.
Wait, is he? No, he's. Oh
No, he threw a rock at me.
Oh yeah, now throw a rock.
Okay.
Oh my
I'm
god.
not afraid of your tricks. Oh!
Kill us, please.
I'm gonna sit on you.
Calm down, Queso.
Oh, this is new.
Okay.
Where?
I'm
where
still
am I?
Oh,
fat ass.
I see.
Stop! Put your doohickey away.
Help!
My what?
Oh shit!
I'm getting raped by the
You're white. I can't breathe. Go up! It's gonna spit at us.
Oh my god, you crushed me!
Fat.
help! Help!
James, I'm gonna help you.
Don't.
James, like that.
He tried tonguing you.
So how do we do this, James?
We gotta kill the red fat one.
Oh god! Guys, I hear the rumbling. Guys, I hear the rumbling.
Rumbling.
Help me! Guys, the rumbling! Guys, the rumbling! Oh!
James, that was your fault. That was your fault.
The yellow liquid.
Bro, I died so hard my controller disconnected.
Oh,
James!
Why is it breathing fire? Why is it breathing fire?
Guys, help.
I didn't see it.
James, no!
It's a squid.
I see weapons, I see weapons,
You're
I see
a
weapons.
kid.
I need more weapons! I need more bullets!
Stephanie!
Oops.
Your presence killed me! You walked in the room and you killed me!
No! No!
Is it gonna get my?
Oh.
No.
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 Stephanie, stop being fat and leave.
Okay.
Bro, feasting on it a little bit too much.
Oh, it's an all-you-can-eat buffet! Oh, vulture wings, don't mind if I do.
Tasty. Oh.
Where my spears?
Of course you would say that, fat bitch.
Hey, this thing tried to steal my food.
Is it Stephanie?
Probably.
Teddy.
Teddy's a fighter, bro.
Stephanie, you almost crushed me.
I tried crushing the lizard. Ooh, yummy.
No! That was a scavenger. That was a scavenger.
I have to calculate my moves first.
Okay.
Yep. I'm just gonna
Ooh, a bat.
just.
Never mind. sorry.
Did you guys hear this squeak?
Look at all the pretty colors.
I got this.
Oh.
I got this, Jordan. I got this.
Oh, no you don't! Oh!
I got this.
No! Do enough,
Why is he deflecting?
Ooh, look, food.
I'm sorry. Why are you humongous? Why are you humongous? Why are you humongous?
I got
He
this.
died for
Hey,
real.
guys, I got this. I got
So
this.
he's looking at you.
I got this.
My voice hurts. Johnny, stop this, Johnny.
You're gonna kill me.
You're gonna kill me as well.
Alright, guys, can we restart? I want to be Hunter.
Deal with it. Oh my! I thought you were a scavenger.
Oh, what the fuck?
Anyway.
No! I had to.
Stop crushing people, you fat fuck.
Help!
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Help!
What do I do?
Help! Stab!
What do I do?
Stab the vulture! Stab the
Oh.
vulture!
No.
Please! Please! Please
Oh,
stab me! Hide it!
Hi, the scavengers.
Yeah. Hey, look.
My ear's still ringing.
Look at the kills.
I only killed
somebody
a
also killed
single scavenger from that? Dude, what did I blow up?
Oh my.
Guys, it's a little
Something
hazardous.
malicious is brewing. What happened?
Help!
You got trapped.
Wait, can you pick me up? Oh fuck.
I'll save you.
Yeah! Teddy now.
Why am I?
What?
Wait, what's
Help.
happening?
Oh, and now me again.
Help.
Do not play Rain World past 3 a.m. James, I got it.
How did you do that? How did you?
James, we gotta go. James, we gotta go.
I can't.
Nah.
Bitch, come on. Oh shit!
He juked you.
He juked my ass. She causes the
You
rumbling.
are here, the rumbling.
Oh shit. Oh, how did I miss? I'm gonna retire.
Help!
from
Help!
video
Help!
games.
Help! Help!
What?
Help me! Help me!
What? What? Help!
How?
He's tonguing me! He's tonguing me! The rumbling is coming.
Oh, not this again.
This motherfucker.
Me and the scavenger killed each other.
Guys, there's some developments in this episode that I don't like. There's some development, guys.
Stephanie, what did you do?
Oh, guys.
Stephanie, I thought you were a scavenger.
It's traversing with It kicked me.
That's got abilities.
It's coming. It's coming.
Um,
The rumbling is coming. Stab the wing.
I said.
Where am I?
Why did it slip through the
Yeah,
cracks and
better
hit
get- oh, fuck.
Stephanie?
I can barely see.
It's all over me. Oh,
But it's all over the screen.
Stephanie, why are you even next to me?
and it's all over the screen.
I didn't.
Why are you even next to me?
Teddy, our opponents are numerous and
They're sure.
oh, there's king vultures. No. Seven, I need a spear. Seven. Okay, I stole.
It's a little dangerous up here.
Oh.
It's dangerous everywhere. I'm like a water. I'm like a fish.
No, I don't think.
Guys, no fighting. There's actual threats.
Oh.
Why start chowing down?
Oh.
What do you mean chowing down?
Wait, were you stuck that whole time? Like you didn't actually die?
Uh-huh. She slowly laid her fat body mass onto me, and I suffocated.
Yeah, man.
I lived? How did I live?
Ooh, a piece.
I took a spear to the face.
Wait, you did.
What? What?
Eating you. I tried to save you.
Teddy, I believe we have a vulture to kill.
Why do I?
I know.
Damn, I got lethal bite. Leave me alone.
Let me-
I got yoink.
No, my controls. Ow! Ow!
I don't. Why you? I can do that too.
Oops!
I'm about to crush you.
It's a big target. Oh, I'm Rivulet. I don't need tunnels.
Explosion speed.
He like died before, like, the explosion happened and then he died like seconds.
Yeah. No, keep going. Keep going.
Stupid fat. And
Guys, got snipers! Oh!
I got this. I got this.
I'm sleeping! Don't push me up. That was the problem, you pushed me up.
I didn't do
No,
anything.
if you did that moved, I would have
Oh.
space to lay down.
Moved where? I'm against the wall, Jordan. I'm
You
against
couldn't
the
jump
wall.
unless I got to hurt you.
I'm dead instantly. It's okay.
Guys,
Stephanie, you're gonna crush him, Stephanie.
the ASMR!
I can't move. I can't move.
Oh.
Teddy, Teddy, you're doing that on purpose, Teddy.
For today.
Yeah, I'm
My
good
heart.
at bed.
No, my heart is like burning. I'm serious. I got heartburn from this. Guys, they're
It's
gonna
the king.
harpoon
Go to
fish.
the king.
They're
Go to
gonna,
the
they're gonna harpoon fish me. They're gonna harpoon fish.
Where'd I go?
It's.
Teddy, I'm gonna drown. Teddy,
I can't move.
Teddy,
I can't
Teddy.
move.